This video is about the basics of synthesizers. Part 4 is about LFO. What is an LFO? An LFO stands for Low Frequency Oscillator. So let's simplify that. It's a wave that's a slower vibration than what we can hear. We can usually apply it to volume, pitch, or filter. LFOs are pretty simple. Usually, you can set two things: the depth, how high and low it can reach, and the rate, or how fast or slow the waves are going. Let's apply LFO on this synth to the square wave on the pulse width. So, if I hold it down, bring up pulse width, we can hear it change. We're going to increase that range of the LFO that it's applying to, so that's depth. We're changing the depth here of the PWM. You can hear it go higher and lower to more extremes, whereas down here, it's very minimal. And over here, we have a rate, so it's faster or slower. I'm turning that all the way up, and then we're turning the rate. This also has delay time, so let's apply LFO to the pitch here. And there's the rate. So if we make it a little minimal here, maybe make it a faster rate, we can also delay it right here. So if we bring that up, it's going to wait before it starts. So let's hear that again with a higher delay time. So let's apply it to the filter now. All the way up. Turn up resonance so we can hear it. And then turn up the rate.
Wow.